What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Carolina Custom Classics. Today is the day. It's a wet and nasty one, but we're going to finally see if the old 57 Chevrolet a run and drive for the first time in 50 years on the highway. Alright, let's get it. Alright, before I get started, I want to go ahead and ask y'all to hit that like button. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start putting some fuel in here. It's always hidden away here behind the little flap. I always like that on 57 Chevrolet. 56 Chevrolet is really nice too. Got the fuel in, battery's charging. Going to go ahead and hop in, give it a turn, and see if we can pump up some fuel to the carburetor. Hopefully she'll fire right up. I fixed the dome light, so that's pretty cool. I never had a old car that had a working dome light. And I've been working on the gauges down here. I'm not really sure why the oil pressure reads max at all times and it's on with the key even off. I don't really know, but probably got it wired up to the wrong one on the ignition switch, I guess. I don't know, but we'll worry about that some other time. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, give it a few pumps. Well, even though it ain't gonna do no good, but the gauges do cut on, as you can see. They're just cheap little gauges. But first let's take it out of gear and give it a go. Alright, well, the battery's dead, so I'm gonna have to break out my big boy and boost it off. I picked up this lead fuel additive a couple days ago. I want to go ahead and add that in here so we can run it, you know, how it's supposed to be. So it recommends this bottle for 21 gallons, so we're just going to try and guess about a quarter, because it's almost a quarter of a tank, I guess. So with that being said, here we go. I'm gonna pour some in. All right, so I filled up a ketchup bottle with some fuel, and I'm gonna have my dad see if he can keep it running for me, see if we can get up some fuel to the carburetor. All right, here we go. Alright, so we got our first leak here at the clamp here, so we're going to try and tighten that up, see if we can stop that. Alright, here we have it. It's running good. I apologize about the mist, but everything is going good. It's supposed to be getting some snow soon, so I want to go ahead and take it down the road right quick, see how she does. Carburetor's doing really good, so let's go ahead and shut the hood and hop in. Also wanted to point out that the gauges are working. We got almost 40 pounds oil pressure, and we are getting the charge, so that's good to go. Alright, gonna let my dad do the filming. He ain't too good with the camera. Am I in it?
Yes, you are.
Alright, here we go, y'all. And while we're going down the road, you know, you can show down the road a little ways, you know. Alright, here we go. 50 years abandoned. And now she lives another day. How about this, y'all?
What is that? Like your screen went blank.
That's alright.
Still taping?
Yeah. As long as that red dot's flashing.
Yeah, the red dot's flashing.
Alright, y'all. Check this out. We got a car coming. And we got another car coming. Let's turn on the headlights. Alright, headlights came on, so did the blinker. Alright, blinker's working. Alright, put it back down into gear. Alright. Here went my hula girl.
Ooh, Bluey girl. Get the nitrous.
Alright, speed onward gauge is working. Alright, we in third.
Doing 55.
Alright, we cruising. How about this, y'all? Ain't this cool? Let's see if the windshield wipers work. Yeah. Not much. Alright, now they're stuck up. All good. Your ride's good, actually. Man, this is awesome. This is what I like to do here at Carolina Custom Classic. Like I said, I apologize about it being a little rainy and foggy. It's really cold today for South Carolina. It's fixing to start snowing. And I just really wanted to drive. I've been anxious. So we start slowing her down here. You want to show in front? Got a little bit of rubbing when I apply the brakes. Not really sure what that is. Might have to adjust the brakes again or something. Might be from the front because we didn't really mess with the front. But she is running and driving great. She's pulling really hard to the left, so I'm quite certain it's something to do with that. We are just going to circle around the cemetery here. So, yeah. How about that? 50 years. Set. Forgotten. And now she is running and driving on her own power, and only got less than $1,500 in parts in her, minus labor and all that good stuff, which in my case is free, but labor is if you would have had somebody do the work for you. Try and get these wipers to go back. I got a vacuum leak. No, it's just these wipers. I'm gonna hop out and push them down right fast. Headlights is working. Sitting here purring like a kitten. Tail lights is working. 1974, baby. 57 Chevrolet. We got dome lightage. Hand the camera back over. Pavement again. Second gear, and I turn right up here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back down to neutral. I love me a 3 on the tree. Well, I about love me anything that'll get me down the road. I ain't particular Ford, Chevrolet. Put it back in a second. But, you know, I think there's good and all makes and models of cars. I've had Fords crank up after 50 years. Had Chevrolets crank up after 50 years. I haven't had Dodge crank up after 50 years. I struggle with my little Dodge truck to crank after 10 years. But like I said, there's good and all and bad, or good and bad in all of them. Win some, lose some. But yeah, gas gauge is working. Still going down the road a little bit. Hey, go. Still go down the road a little bit. Alright, we're going down the road. I hope y'all enjoying it as much as I am. I am beyond happy right now. It took a lot of hard work to get here, but if I can do it, anybody can do it. We still got a long ways to go, but with time, we'll get there. Definitely when I apply the brakes, it wants to pull to the left. So we're going to have to adjust that. While we're going down the road, we have still right at 40 pounds of oil pressure. Go ahead and push in the clutch. Put it up in second gear. Alright, you can cut back up here now. Alright, we're in second gear. Turn it on my road. Alright, y'all. There we have it. manufacturing on. Very happy and satisfied, y'all. Y'all just don't know. I apologize about the rain. The accelerator seems to be sticking a little bit. I'm gonna sit y'all down and come over here to the church. Yeah. Accelerator keeps sticking a little bit. Gotta address that. But here we have it, y'all. There we have it. Alright, y'all be blessed. She runs and drives after 50 years, sitting abandoned. She's came a long ways. And I've definitely fell in love with the old girl. I finally decided on a name for her. Her name is Nadine, after the Chuck Berry song. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I sure did. I'm just gonna check everything back over again, and I think I'm gonna take her back down the road again. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like, share, and subscribe. See more of them come back to life. All right, thanks for watching. Y'all be blessed.